Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is a 1 hour chart of Euro dollar Euro USD, and after the big fall, we can see that Euro USD is trading in a narrow range right now. In fact, not only Euro USD, you'll see most of the dollar pairs trading in a range right now because the market is waiting for the big news tomorrow, that is NFP. So this is the silence before the storm, and this is not a very new thing. We at least once or twice a month we get to see this kind of feeling before the big news. Market is silent, silence. Okay, it's just waiting for the big news. So as a result, we can expect the market to behave in this way till the NFP comes out. So as a result, you should plan your trades accordingly. First of all, let's have a look at the chart of DXY. So DXY, as expected, is extremely bullish and also respected our support of 105.50 to 105.40. In my previous video on gold, I guess I talked about the level of 105.5040 to act as the new support, and the reason is pivot level, we have Fibonacci, then the previous resistance to act as the new support. If we combine all the factors, then yes, it looks like a stable support right now. And as we all know, volatility of the market plays a big role. If the volatility of the market remains like this, then yes, the market should within this range only, especially during the US session. In case during the US session market shows some crazy stuff, then obviously things will be different. But as of now, 105.5040 is the support for DXY. Okay, and is there an immediate resistance? Then sadly, we do not have any immediate resistance on the chart of DXY right now. You can see that after this big fall, DXY is trying to recover and it looks good only. Now, let's see how the market reacts tomorrow. And let's talk about Euro USD right now. So the support of Euro USD is 1.0524. This is the support of Euro USD, or this is the previous low made by the market. But is this a good support? No, this is not a good support, because if you look at the chart, then we can clearly see that we do not have any strong support around this area. And in my previous videos, we already discussed about the critical support of 1.0500 to 1.0480. In case before NFP, Euro USD shows a fall. If Euro USD starts falling again, then this is the only support. 1.0500, 1.0480 is the only support where you can expect the market to take a pause. Not a trend reversal, but at least you can expect the market to take a pause. But this level is not a good support. But right now, as the market is in a range, so as a result, during the day, especially during the Asian session, European session, when the volatility of the market is not very high, you can expect the market to take support around this area. And you can also consider a sell position around the level above. Or in simple words, 1.0572 to 1.0580 is the resistance for the market right now. The reason is, you can see previous strong price rejection around this area, and why did it happen? It happened because this was the previous support. So support acted as resistance here, and I think before NFP, this should be the resistance for the market. In case market goes up, if you see market struggling around this area again, if you see market showing price rejection from above, you can consider taking a sell position. If you are looking for a quick entry, then you can simply switch to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is the chart, 15 minutes time frame chart. You can see this is a sideways market right now. So before NFP, if you see market reversing, market showing price rejection from above, showing shooting star pattern, showing bearish engulfing pattern, will give you the confirmation that sellers are still present around this area, and you can look for a sell as well. In case, my dear friend, in case market breaks also this particular level here, do not take a buy position immediately, because that can be very, very risky. In this market situation, when The overall sentiment is bearish when we have an uncertainty before the NFP. Taking a buy position or considering a breakout can be very, very risky. It can be a false breakout as well. As we all know, false breakout is a bitter reality of the market. So please be careful. Okay. So when market will reverse again, you can consider taking a sell position. So this is the level you should keep your eyes right now. And secondly, the support of 1.0524. Keep in mind, I'm again repeating, sentiment is bearish. This is not a support as the volatility of the market is very low right now. That's why you can expect the market to give you a temporary bounce. In case market forms a big red candle, automatically this level will fail because this level does not have the strength to hold the market. Are you getting my point? So observe the volatility of the market, then only take the decision. Be a trader, not a gambler. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority always. So observe the market carefully, then only take the decision. So as the market is trading in this range, so plan your trades accordingly and be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Please follow proper risk management. My analysis can be wrong as well. So be careful. And my dear friends, as you all already know, that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English. So my dear friends, this workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're struggling with the market, if you're unable to make money for the last couple of months and years, you can consider joining the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop and the next dates are 16th, 17th and 18th of March. The timing, dates, everything is mentioned on the website. Link is in the description. And the best part is after the workshop, you'll also receive support for 1 month. Okay. So you'll also see a questionnaire where you'll see questions so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And this is my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. I have shared my personal journey because my journey was also very, very hard. My teacher was the market. So you can see the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. Okay, so do not get confused. What is the workshop? What is the Pro Trader program? It's a part of the Pro Trader program. And these are the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. So if you're really considering trading to be a serious source of income, then you can definitely join the Pro Trader program. Hopefully, you will be able to touch the sky like many members from the Pro Trader program who have really changed their lives. Bye bye. Take care.